Ladies and gentlemen, it's Premises 187, and here with me I have my old faithful Fiido D11. This is without a doubt one of the greatest e-bikes you can buy. Last week alone I saw 3 different people riding one of these bikes, so the popularity speaks for itself. We're not here today to speak about the Fiido D11, we're here to speak about something new from Fiido. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have the Fiido D11. This video here today is just going to be an unboxing video. There will be a full review in about a week or two's time. I'd never do a same day review video, that's just trash and dishonest. And here we have it, guys. This is it. This is the Fiido D11. I'm currently carrying it with one arm. No problem. No struggle. It's a very light bike. Out of the box, the folding hinge mechanism was pretty stiff. But after folding it and unfolding it a few times, things loosened up a bit. This is one of the interesting design aspects of this e-bike, and that's that this seat post is a whopping 11.6 amp hour battery. From it we get a 100 kilometer range per charge. On the back here we have a very slick tail light, which actually reacts to the brakes being pulled. On the front here we have our charging port, and what's brilliant about this design is you could just pull the seat post out of the bike and take it into the house and charge it. This means you no longer have to drag your entire bike into the house, messing the floor up and dinging the walls. Igor, it's alive! I was very pleased to see that the D11 comes with these metal grippy pedals. With plastic pedals your feet can sometimes slip off of them, especially in the rain. Also, my Converse aren't known for the best grip in the world. But yeah, really glad to see these bear trap looking metal pedals. And there you have it, guys, the Fiido D11. Be sure to check out my next Fiido video coming soon, where I actually review this bad boy. If you're already confident this is going to be the bike for you, be sure to check out the geek buying links in the description. So far I've had about 3 hours of saddle time on this, and so far I've enjoyed every second of riding it. I can tell you guys this is going to be a winner.